Madam Speaker, Honorable Mohamed Tupi hails from a very reputable family of Tupi Bidu, where actually culturally the rangeland, some part of Bisanadi, is named after his grandfather. He's called the Gachon Tupi. Madam Speaker, as an indigenous son of Isiolo, which actually the previous speakers has been saying it right. He started at Isiolo Secondary School in 1975. He got diploma in wildlife management at Arusha, and he got degree in community development. He started career with Postal Corporation, later as an assistant warden in 1984. He rose through the ranks to senior warden and served in Isiolo, Baringo, and Masai Mara. He is the true inaugural Speaker of the County Assembly of Isiolo 2013-2017, while he was the member of Parliament of Isiolo South constituency, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, I actually belong to an age set which is junior to Honorable Mohamed Tupi, Madam Speaker. We came through the same village as we are young. It's true, he is very passionate and has sense of humor. That is what I learned of him. We are younger in age, Madam Speaker, and you will every time see that he respects those people that have been working in institutions. And he would like always to see that the services actually go to the people and rule of law being respected. As a member of Parliament, and me being one of the member of County Assembly working with him, his principal objective as a person, as a leader who believes in development, was peace. In the constituency where he has been leading, you find we have a very fragile border with Garissa County, part of Daraka, and Meru County. Madam Speaker, it is an area that part of the constituency has been known for insecurity since independence up to today. Cattle rustling being one of the menaces that has been affecting the livelihood of the people of the area. Madam Speaker, Honorable Tupi has been always saying peace is mandatory during his leadership,